So where should you start? There are two great starting points that you can do right now that'll really propel your fitness journey quickly.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, my name is Mario and welcome to the Beginner's Guide to the Gym series. In these next 10 videos, I'll be sharing with you the do's and don'ts along with valuable tips when going to the gym. We'll be discussing topics like what to eat, what to wear, workout routines, gym essentials, and much more. So where should you start? There are two great starting points that you can do right now that'll really propel your fitness journey quickly. That's choosing a gym and changing your diet. Choosing a gym that's best for you is a great start. You might be thinking, okay, Mario, there are so many gyms and so many franchises. Which one should I try first? You can start with the gyms that are closest to your home. I find in order to build a habit of consistency, choosing the gym that's closest to my home works really well for my own personal routine and lifestyle. I personally like to go to the gym right after work since I pass the gym on my way home anyway. Most gyms offer free trials before you even sign up for a membership. Don't hesitate to try multiple gyms and take advantage of the free trials. Okay, Mario, I've chosen a gym, but I'm scared that everyone will judge me. What if they stare at me? What if they judge my routine? What if they decided to throw rocks at me because I'm a beginner? I know going to a gym with sweaty, muscular men and women can be a little intimidating, but I promise you'll discover a like-minded community at any gym you decide to sign up to. We've all started somewhere and we've all been a beginner. I know when I see someone who's just starting, all I can think of is good for them. Choosing a gym with the right atmosphere, price range, and distance from your home might sound a little overwhelming. But remember, this is an investment in your health and well-being. If you can afford Hulu, Netflix, and Disney Plus, you can afford a $30 membership for your health. Next is changing your diet, which I'll talk more about in the upcoming videos in this series. Here's what you can do right now. You can change drinking juice, soda, and milk to just drinking water. You can start eliminating processed foods and start eating home-cooked meals. Eliminate junk foods and start eating veggies, fruits, and peanuts as snacks, instead of chips, cookies, or any sugary snack. I'm not saying eliminate sugar, but too much of a good thing becomes a bad thing. Going to the gym is a lifestyle change, not a phase, and it's not too late to start. I want to take a moment to tell you that just by watching this video, you've taken the first step to really changing your life. In the next video of the Beginner's Guide to the Gym, I'll be discussing the top 3 things to avoid wearing at the gym and why. I hope this video motivated you to continue your fitness journey. Thank you for sticking to the end as it really helps the video reach more people. Make sure to like this video if you want to learn more, and I'll see you in the next video.